Here you go. First meal, part 2. Mommy's feeding now. Ay.
Yummy. Good girl. Do you like it? What do you think? You think she likes it, Tom?
I think so. She's eating like a champ. Look at her. Yeah.
She keeps going for it,
Yeah.
right?
She's like, bring on the steak.
Are you eating it, Braylon? I think more is going in than is coming out, right?
It seems like it. Not much more, but...
The little spoon doesn't hold very much.
Yeah.
You like it?
It looks like
It's
it.
getting better.
It was a big lot on her chin there. Yeah, she's going for
I
it.
think she's into it. She's a good eater, I'll tell you that.
Yeah, no problem eating. Look at these
Look at
thighs.
those thighs. The thighs will show you. Look. Like it? Look, she's holding the bowl.
Good job, Braylon.
Good girl.
Bye-bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.